Welcome to the French Drain Man channel. I'm Robert Sherwood, your host, and I just want to show you how much gravel our 14-inch by 14-inch trench holds. 10 feet of it versus 10 feet of the styrofoam French drain.
We're going to see how many 5-gallon pails full of gravel our system takes. We're actually a few inches shorter than 10 feet. Let's go. Let's give it a go. We're going to start pouring them and just leave the empties upside down.
Okay.
Let's do that first. Let's see.
Wow, that's ridiculous. Oh, okay, so right now we're at 13. That's going to do it. That'll give us room to fold our fabric down.
We thought we would take the opportunity to cut this thing open and see how many 5-gallon pails from Home Depot will the poly rock in the NDS EZ Drain fill. So let's find out. What a joke. Okay, so 3 bags. I'm sorry, 3 buckets. 3 bags. Oh, man. All right, so that's our test, man.
Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and stay tuned for more fun projects. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. It is what motivates us. And as always, until the next video.